Oh god. Yeah. I need to find out how to do the eye again. Yeah. You got a bad cough there. Oh, what's next? Better not be about Transformers. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh god. It looks so evil. You need a bigger eye better. And I want to put tires on it, but I must restrain myself off bugger it. Tires. Could hold that when I figure out how to put tires.
I'm just going to find
Oh dear. I think I put the ears on now.
Oh, this isn't a good crotch up here.
What? Well, that's the one thing to say.
Well, okay then.
Crotch shot.
Well, how about this then?
What about that? What about it?
There's one there. Baby dance.
Right. Yowie, it's so magical. It's very magical. It's like a magical tentacularing. Tentacularing. Yowie. Where? Point out.
And oh, but it's censored. Is it censored, isn't it?
Aww. Damn you, censorship. Damn you. Yeah, cute.